Hi there, I'm happy to introduce you to Cascade, which is a fully on-chain crowdfunding platform. So I thought it was useful because it's kind of at the crossroads between what I believe already exists. So there are the subscription platforms where you need to expect some money to go out of your account on every month or at a recurring interval, and the one-time contributions where everything go out at once. And here you can commit a contribution by creating it in your account, dedicating the funds, choosing an end date, then a Chainlink upkeep will be performed at an interval of your choice to distribute the contributions. So this way you can dedicate these funds to a contribution without having to worry about the monthly deductions from your account and have them securely stored in a smart contract with the confidence that they will be distributed in time. And if at some point you don't want to contribute to the project anymore, if the founders rugged or abandoned it or for any reason actually, you can just cancel it and retrieve the remaining funds that were not sent yet. So if you don't, the payments will be gradually distributed over the chosen period. And you can always trigger these payments manually with or without an upkeep that will trigger them at a fixed rate. So the main contract allows users to create projects and create a contributor account with which they can manage their contributions. When creating a project, a contract is deployed to hold its data, balance, the addresses of the members and the share of each one of them. These shares allow them to withdraw their part of the raised funds at any time with confidence that each one of them will be granted exactly what was expected. And everything about it is available on the project's page, so you can see the description, links, categories, collaborators, addresses and shares, and the contributions. You can see here there is a contribution period of 20 days with the amount already sent to the project and the amount dedicated to it over the time period. So you can expect it to have received Alpha-Matic in 10 days, which is not much. And you can contribute right from this page. In the dashboard, you can create a project with all the parameters we've seen right before and interact with the ones involving your address. So there is a status which is kind of a guarantee that the project is still active. So a member of the project needs to manifest themselves at least once every 30 days or the project is considered inactive and will not be able to receive any contribution. So yeah, you can see the amounts raised, the share and the amount that can be withdrawn. As a contributor, the dashboard is a little more complex. Here the contributor account was already created as well as the Chainlink upkeep all from the app. The basic functionalities, the total amount contributed, the amount still stored in the contract and the next expected payment, which can also be triggered manually at any time. You can see the same information for each contribution, edit a contribution so you can increase or decrease it or even cancel it. So all of these informations are stored on chain, which means that everything displayed on the website is either directly grabbed from the contract or indexed in a subgraph with the graph. So the thing is, when you create a project or a contributor account, it creates a child contract and we can't really grab the events in these child contracts because we won't create a new subgraph every time. So yeah, we just have these contributor accounts call a function in the main contract on every major interaction like creating, updating a contribution or sending payments. So yeah, it will call the main contract, emit an event. So we can index everything in the same subgraph and have all the data in the same place. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy discovering the app. You will find the contracts, the subgraph and the front end in the GitHub repository. I tried to put some comments and documentation so it's easier and quicker to go through. So yeah, thank you for listening to me and bye.